What is the one word for someone who is the first to think of or make something? The correct answer is inventor. What is the one word for a mechanical device that prevents a vessel from moving? The correct answer is anchor. What is the one word for a learned person? The correct answer is scholar. What is the one word for give, especially as an honor? The correct answer is award. What is the one word for a structure that provides a natural habitation for bees? The correct answer is hive. What is the one word for the branch of physics that studies celestial bodies? The correct answer is astronomy. What is the one word for having an abundant supply of money or possessions of value? The correct answer is wealthy. What is the one word for an enclosure made of wire or metal bars in which birds or animals can be kept? The correct answer is cage. What is the one word for a group of cattle or sheep or other domestic mammals? The correct answer is herd. What is the one word for lowest support of a structure? The correct answer is base. What is the one word for throw or bend back from a surface? The correct answer is reflect. What is the one word for a division of a stem arising from the main stem of a plant? The correct answer is branch. What is the one word for joint consisting of a line formed by joining two pieces? The correct answer is seam. What is the one word for ice resembling a pendant spear formed by dripping water? The correct answer is icicle. What is the one word for the shovel or bucket of a dredge or backhoe? The correct answer is scoop. What is the one word for one of a pair of mobile appendages on the head of insects? The correct answer is antenna. What is the one word for a deep and relatively narrow body of water? The correct answer is channel. What is the one word for relatively long-bodied reptile with legs and a tapering tail? The correct answer is lizard. What is the one word for combustion of materials producing heat and light and smoke? The correct answer is flame. What is the one word for a shape with sharp turns in alternating directions? The correct answer is zigzag.